Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up payment reminders based on due date in Zoho Books. This feature automates your follow-up process, ensuring clients receive timely reminders without you having to manually track every invoice due date. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to zoho.com/books. Once the page loads, log in using your username and password to access your Zoho Books account. This is where all your invoicing and payment tracking happens, so make sure you're signed into the correct business account. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll spot a gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's your gateway to all customization options within Zoho Books. Go ahead and click on it to open the settings panel. Once the settings menu appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in reminders and select it from the results. This will take you directly to the reminders customization page, saving you time from having to browse through multiple settings categories. On the reminders page, locate the section labeled automated reminders. This is where you'll create rules that trigger emails automatically based on your invoice due dates. Under this section, click on the plus new reminder button to begin setting up your payment reminder. An email composition menu will now open. Before diving into the message itself, you need to configure when and how this reminder sends. First, give your automated reminder a clear name so you can identify it later, something like 3 days before due date or overdue payment reminder. Next, set the day when this email should be sent out. You can choose to send it before the due date, on the due date itself, or after it's overdue. Now fill in the necessary fields. In the From field, enter the email address that will appear as the sender. This should typically be your business email to maintain professionalism. Then, in the Remind section, add the email address of the client who will receive this reminder. This is usually pulled automatically from your invoice data. If you want to keep your team or management in the loop, add email addresses to the CC and BCC fields. This ensures everyone stays informed about payment follow-ups without cluttering the client's view. Next, enter a clear subject line that immediately tells the recipient what the email is about, something like payment reminder, invoice hash, invoice number due soon. Finally, review the email reminder content that Zoho Books provides as a template. Adjust the wording based on your preference and brand voice. Make sure the tone is professional yet friendly and that all invoice details are correctly displayed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click on Save to activate your automated payment reminder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.